As you can see, our Cadillac XT6 ownership experience was shaken up recently, but let's take a quick step back and see what brought us here, shall we? In March of 2025, we decided to trade in our beloved Kia EV6 for something bigger for my wife's use. Due to our good experience with Kia, we purchased a Kia Sorento SX Prestige. As much as I like the look and the interior, I could not stand the drivetrain. It was loud, it was noisy, it was sloppy, and we only ended up keeping this car for a month, at which point we made the decision to trade it in. That's when, in April of 2025, we purchased a 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport. I was never actually in love with this car, but it was a good compromise, and man was it comfortable. We had a nice normal ownership experience with this car, with some slight mods that I was able to get done, such as a silver trim delete, wheels, and tires. However, fast forward to early November. We were driving home from visiting family in the North Dallas suburbs, when the highway came to an abrupt stop, so let's check out the footage. First of all, thank God for Cadillac's surround vision cameras. If your car doesn't come with cameras, please get a dash cam. I've reviewed a couple, so check out the link above or in the description. It will save you a lot of headaches. But as you can see, I was able to stop in time, but I got hit really hard in the rear by a Honda HR-V, which pushed me into the F-250 in front of me. The damage didn't look that bad. We were definitely shaken up, but we weren't injured. The car took the hit very well. As I started looking at the vehicle, it was very clear that there was more damage than you could see at first. Then I walked over to the vehicle that hit us and wow, it was badly damaged. And what was wild was his airbags did not even go off. Luckily, the driver was walking around and I think he was okay. I'm sure he had some really bad pains the following few days. The next day, I was able to go and see the car in the daylight, so let's go check it out. A few days later, the car was totaled out by my insurance, so now we had to get a replacement. Although I didn't like the circumstances that got us here, I was excited to shop for a new car again. So what is next? Well, that will be coming up in the next video, but here are some of the cars we considered. Full disclaimer though, we've already made the purchase, and we are very happy with what we bought. So stay tuned, subscribe if you don't, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please drive safe, and get a damn dash cam. Bye.